Samsung Galaxy M36 has arrived, and it's making waves. With its latest Android 15 operating system's stunning design and cutting-edge technology, this phone is definitely a game-changer. Let's dive into what makes the Samsung Galaxy M36 stand out from the crowd. First up, the display. Samsung Galaxy M36 takes it to the next level with a 6.7-inch display. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or playing the latest mobile game, you're in for a treat. Now, let's talk about performance. With the Exynos 1380 chip and 2.4 GHz octa-core processor and ample 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, multitasking feels effortless. Switching between apps is seamless, and demanding games run like a charm. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled too. The Samsung Galaxy M36 features triple camera setup with 50-megapixel main sensor that can record video up to 4K at 30 FPS. The low-light performance is exceptional, making those nighttime shots surprisingly clear. Plus, the new AI features help enhance your photography skills, ensuring you capture the perfect moment every time. Supports fast charging. You'll spend less time tethered to a wall and more time enjoying your phone. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy M36 is a powerhouse packed with features. From its gorgeous display to its impressive performance and camera capabilities, it's a phone that truly delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, make sure to put the Samsung Galaxy M36 at the top of your list.